everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little bit to find security and location. Now let's tap on fingerprint, and as you can see here we've got the information that you will be able to use the fingerprint not only to unlocking your device but also to authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on next, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the pattern pin or password, whatever you will choose. And thanks to this, you will not have to go through the hard reset operation, which will unlock your device but also wipe out all of the data. So let me pick the pattern. Here you have to decide if you want to set the secure startup, which simply means that your device will require the pattern or pin or password before it will start up. I don't want to do it, so let me tap on no, and here we have to set the pattern. So let me draw it and confirm. Now we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all, and I will pick this option, and let's tap on done. Here we've got the animation, so we have to touch the sensor, which is on the back of our device right here. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times. I'm just releasing my finger and putting it again. So we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. And as you can see, it's quite easy in this device, it's quite quick. So we can add another, if not, just tap on done. And as you can see, right here we've got the one fingerprint set up. We can enter this option. And here we will be transferred to the options connected to the fingerprint. Later on I will show you also some more. So here you can decide if you want to use the fingerprint to unlock your device, and this option is defaultly turned on. The application lock, the quick launch shortcut. Here we've got the fingerprints. As you can see, you can add up to 5. If you want to, you can tap on your fingerprint and rename it, so why not? You can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon, and that's all. That's all we can do. You can add another fingerprint here. So I just wanted to also show you the fingerprint section in the settings. You can enter here, and as you can see, we've got the Fingerprint Manager, and we were there, but here we've got some additional options, so you can decide what you want to do with the fingerprint with on touch. So you can you can, for example, control the music player, you can go back to the home screen, and so on. So I highly recommend to customize it in order to make your device as much personalized as it can be. So let me actually lock the device and let's check if it is working. So, oh my god. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and unfortunately, okay, after third time it finally recognized it, but as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your OUKITEL K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.